Who would have thought that after spending 2 weeks in Vietnam, my favourite dish would have been green beans? Well, definitely not me. I'll put a quick clip up on the screen so you can see the original I tried in Vietnam, and then I'm going to recreate it for you so you can also try the best green beans you've ever had in your life. So let's begin by prepping the star of the show. It's the green beans. And what we need to do is take them and slice them a long ways in half, or at least shred them into 3 pieces. We just need to make them a little bit finer, ready for sauteing. This is exactly what we want, where you've got nice little thin bits and thick bits, and opening up the green beans to catch the beautiful flavours that we're going to add later on. Next, to make this dish really special, we need garlic, because we're going to make some beautiful golden garlic crisps that just take this dish to the next level. And to do that, take 1 whole bulb of garlic and then top and tail it and break off the individual cloves. Remove the skins, and now we need to slice them as thinly as we can. And there's 2 ways to do this. Of course, you can just use a knife and just be very careful and just try and get it as thin as you possibly can, which is one good way to do it, but I prefer to do it on a mandolin. It's a bit more dangerous, you've got to watch your fingers, but you get much better results. So you want to slice almost all of the garlic, but keep 3 cloves back, and we're going to chop that separately for a different part of the dish. Now, with the sliced garlic, just place it all straight into a saucepan, followed by 100 millilitres of a neutral flavoured oil. Place it over a low heat and then just gradually heat it up until the garlic becomes golden and crisp. This doesn't take very long, and you've got to keep an eye on it, because if it goes too far it will turn bitter and it's not very nice. So you just want to wait until it's starting to turn golden and then remove it from the heat immediately. Place a sieve over a heat-proof bowl and drain the garlic and oil through it. And then once you've done that, you're left with this beautiful garlic infused oil. Now we're only going to need about 1 tablespoon, 30 millilitres of that for sauteing the green beans. So with the rest of it, you can store it and use it again for some beautiful garlic potato wedges or something like that. Just use it to cook veggies in or some meat in, and it'll just instantly add that hit of garlicky flavour. And then we're left with these beautiful golden garlic crisps. Finely chop the remaining garlic. It doesn't need to be super small. And then place a wok or a large saute pan over a high heat. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of the garlic infused oil, and then once it's hot, place in the prepped green beans. Stir fry them for 3 minutes before pouring in 200 millilitres of chicken stock, 5 millilitres of soy sauce and 5 grams of sugar. Bring the stock up to a simmer and add in the chopped garlic. Cook it for around 4 minutes or until the stock is reduced down by half the amount. Give it a taste and season it with some extra soy sauce or salt if you think it needs it. To serve, pile the green beans up nice and high onto a plate and then drizzle over that beautiful garlicky chicken stock, and then top it off with those golden garlic crisps. These are the best green beans that I've ever tasted, and I think you should definitely try them for yourself. Honestly, your friends and family will be amazed if you knock these out at your next roast dinner. I think they're absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.